Hello, my name is Danny Filfa. I'm an experienced teacher with over 20 years of teaching experience. I began my teaching career in Canada in 2003 when I received my Bachelor's of Education, and I worked in schools for about 5 years teaching subjects such as math, science, and English. And then I decided to move internationally, where I taught here in schools. I taught students in math and science in their second language of English. And then in the last 10 years, I've been teaching students exclusively English, helping them build their English language skills, mostly teenagers looking to better their English language skills so that they can continue to study on in university. And I've been enjoying the experience because it's taught me to help students build their confidence, their skills, and enthusiasm for when it comes to learning. And I look forward to continuing this journey with my students online to help you build your confidence, enthusiasm, and skill sets when it comes to learning the English language. So I invite you to book an appointment with me today so we can get started building your skills together. Thank you.